What's up, YouTube? Can we talk about wheels and tires? These are Vitavon 43s, and they go with the Proline MX43s. Now, the Traxxas and the Arrma take different size wheels, but Vitavon is smart enough to make both sets. But if you want to order some, just understand the difference. Allow me to organize my workspace because it's going to get a little messy. Now, I'm using a bit of DuPont non-stick because I want my wheels to stay clean. And then we're going to apply some WD-40 so that the tire can slide on the rim. Or some kind of soapy water will also work. Either way, you'll have to lube this thing up. With these new tires, it's definitely a tight fit. But just stay patient and diligent and they'll go in. The cool thing about these rims, there's a ridge line inside that the tire actually tucks into. So you gotta make sure you press it and get it all nice and secure. For this part of the job, I just used an old toothbrush. I guess you could use a Phillips head screwdriver or whatever you have to pull this tire over the rim. I used something plastic because I didn't want to scratch my brand new Vitavons. But once you get the tire over that lip, all you have to do is secure it back into the groove. You'll fasten the ring back to the front side, and then there's a second ring on the back side. 24 screws in the front and 24 screws in the back. It's a lot of work, but I hand tight it at the end to make sure I don't strip anything. People ask me all the time about RC tires. This is my 5th scale collection. I pulled these off my Losi DBXL and I replaced them with these Akills with Vitavon wheels. These wheels came off of my Arrma Outcast 8S and I replaced it with these Genesis, but the Genesis are kind of harder in suspension, no foam, no air. These guys are big and heavy J Concepts. They're gnarly, but they do balloon. These guys I pulled off of my X-Maxx, and these I pulled off of my XRT. Both of those tires are good. They balloon a little bit, but they do what they're supposed to do. These are mud tires, snow tires, sand tires that I put on my X-Maxx. It's a blast to run with sand tires. Roosters everywhere. These are my Prolines MX47. They're okay, but they do balloon. And the king of all kings, the MX43 on Vitavon. My absolute go-to. I got 43s on almost all my cars. To take my DBXL from 655 to 961, it's 47% increase. To be honest, if you stay in stock, stay stock. The Genesis is super light, but no foam, no air. Massive Magmas, 21% heavier than the Badlands. Airy and bouncy, but man, they balloon. But ballooning is good for backflips and stunts. The featherweight of the bunch, these Roosters. If you don't got them, get them. The 57s are okay, but for your money, everybody I know got these, the MX43 by Badlands. All I can say is make sure your powertrain can handle the weight. All right, I put together this montage, left to right, old wheels to new wheels. A taller tire is like going up in pinion size. So make sure you monitor your temps. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite wheel? Do you go for form or fashion? We talking about drivability, performance, or something that's gonna look good on the shelf. Everyone's budget is your budget. Do what your career can handle. But I tell you what, for the most part, stay stock as long as you can. Because as soon as you start adding weight to the edges of your car, you're definitely going to stress out your drivetrain, your ESC, your motor, and your batteries. These wheels to me look great. However, oh by the way, it's a rough ride, so make sure your shock game is tight. All right, everybody outside for the group photo. Stunting like my daddy. This is nasty work. Oh, the big fella look good in the big Tims. It's Mr. Still Your Girl. My final thoughts, the hobby is your hobby. Do whatever puts a smile on your face. Hey man, make sure you get the wheels for the right application. Kind of understand what you're going for. Get the aesthetic that's good to you. And then roll with it, man. It's all good, it's a hobby. Peace. Don't forget to leave a comment, hit the like. Tell a friend and tell a friend from a 57.